Oh man, a lizard fish. Lizard fish. I mean, you don't have.
No.
Calm down.
What is that?
It's a lizard fish. It's got big teeth on him. If he calms down, calm down. You can see. Wait. See the huge. Ooh. Nah, he didn't bit me, but you see them huge teeth on him?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's why they call him a lizard fish. He looks like a lizard fish.
Nice catch.
Chop it down, man. He's got to break off.
Put it in the water.
They have teeth.
Human
Yeah,
teeth.
to turn you in loose.
Human teeth, you said?
Yeah.
They're like back teeth.
Like Chuck E. Cheese.
Put it in the water.
Yeah.
Alright, now.
Watch.
You got it.
Alright.
Nice. That's sweet.
I saw that line wrap through there.
I hope they get
So
out.
I wasn't even sure till it got to the bottom.
Let's try it.
Oh, the croaker I meant. Pretty big, but ain't eatable. If he was bigger, I would keep him. But they get bigger than that. You can eat a croaker, but he's got to be fucking.
What do you do? Film it. Got him this time.
Oh, we got to break the pole.
Put it in the water. Put it in the water. Here we go. Go ahead. Hey, stand the shrimp on that one.
Damn, nice bull bird.